What's up? It's always me, Johnny, and welcome to my new video. Today, a new unboxing, and this is a different unboxing because you're gonna see this quick unboxing by my girlfriend, because we are gonna unbox the DJI Pocket 2 because we are vlogging for our travel, but we decided to upload this unboxing here too, and I'm gonna film, of course, the first impression with this DJI Pocket 2, and you're gonna see it also in this video. And this DJI Pocket 2, it is in the sunset white version, and in fact it is the combo version because it has some attachment and it has also some different connectors, and also it does have some accessories like some straps. It has also the cover. It does have an external accessory to connect an external microphone and also to connect like wireless microphones, and it could be very useful also if you buy the wireless microphone from DJI. It is also useful as an handle because the DJI Pocket 2, it's really small, and actually without that accessory, the microphone accessory, it is very compact and you can also put it in your pocket, for example. That's why it is called Pocket. But that microphone accessory, it is very useful, as I was saying before, to use it as a handle, because if you have also small hands, it is really small, and some extra space to handle the DJI Pocket 2, it is very useful. Anyway, in the box you will not find so many things, because you will find, of course, the DJI Pocket 2, you will find that wireless microphone extender that does have also the tripod connector on the bottom of the accessory. Then you will find the cover for the DJI Pocket 2. You will find two straps, one for your hands and one if you want to carry it on your neck, for example. And then you will find a connector, of course, that is USB-C when it's lightning port for the iPhones. And then you will find also a USB-C cable to charge this device, because of course it has the USB-C for charging. And then you will find a little attachment that you can interchange, like below the screen you can change it, and you can use this attachment that is a little button and also a joystick, and it is very useful. Actually, if you have this version, so the combo version, you should have this accessory, this attachment, because the joystick, it is very useful. Also, you can change this joystick with the attachment for your phone, so you can connect directly your phone to the Pocket 2 and use it as a screen, and also to use the Pocket 2 with this application that you can find on the Play Store and also on the App Store for iPhone. Anyway, this was pretty much it, very quick unboxing, and after this you will see the test on the field. So stick to this video and let's see the first impression of this Pocket 2. Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and this is the continue to my mini first impression to this DJI Pocket 2, and we are in a little city called Vic. We are in Spain. This is the first time that I reveal the location where we are traveling, and I'm just testing this DJI Pocket 2, and you can hear and you can see how it is, the quality, the sound quality, and also the image quality. And I am recording at 4K 30 FPS, I guess, and I think that you can see that we are walking, and I think you can see that it is stabilized, and it is a lot stabilized, because the Pocket 2 is very small, and so it is a very good thing to have a stabilizer, and it is actually a real gimbal. That being said, this right here on my left, this is my girlfriend. Yeah, you can follow her also on her YouTube channel and also on IG, because she's posting more updates than me probably. And I don't know if I will be posting some vlogs when we are around the city, but maybe I will try if you like that. Anyway, let me know down below in the comments how it is, the quality of this DJI Pocket 2, and especially the sound quality, because I don't have any external microphone and it's a little bit windy today, so let me know down below how it is. Anyway, that was pretty much it. I will see you in my next video and probably in a next vlog, possibly. And thank you for watching this video, and leave a like down below if you like this little video, and subscribe, of course, if you haven't already. and see you in the next one. Bye for now.